Already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So, lawyers.
Handa ba ang BC humarap sa impeachment court kung sakali?
Kung pwede namang hindi, and I understand pwede naman, hindi na. Oo. Kasi baka ma-intimidate lang sila lahat sa presence ko doon.
You think you have the numbers in the Senate to be acquitted?
Hindi ko masabi yan ngayon, sir. Wala pa kami dyan.
Are you not confident that you have enough allies to avoid a conviction in the Senate acting as an impeachment court?
Hindi ko pa naisip yan, sir. I've not counted numbers the Senate, so we are not there yet. We are still, the legal team is still in the preparation of the defense and what we will do moving forward.
Pinakamataas na parusang pwedeng ipato ng impeachment court ay ang pagkakatanggal sa pwesto at habang buhay na hindi pwedeng humawak ng anumang pwesto sa gobyerno kung mahahatulang guilty.
Resignation is not an option. Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Na masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay.